Hello everyone, my name is Dionysius Nugraha Tungkir. In this presentation, I would like to share my career plans as an engineering student, including my experience, skill, and my future goals. I will also explain why I'm interested in PT Jabaku and how it aligns with my background in industrial management. Alright, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Dionysius Nugraha Tungkir. I'm from Subang. I study at Atmi Cikarang Industrial Polytechnic. My major is industrial management. That is a brief introduction about myself. Next, I will explain the areas I work on during my practical at Atmi. The first, production planning and controlling or PPIC. Focus on planning and controlling the production process to make sure it runs according to the schedule and materials are available. Second, the quality control is responsible for checking product quality from raw materials during the production process until the final project. Third, digital marketing involves creating a website to display and sell product as an additional sales channel. Fourth, financial statements are related to preparing and understanding company financial report. And fifth, company budget focus on planning and controlling company expense. And lastly, data reporting involves collecting and presenting data in the form of report to support decision making. On this slide, I will explain my project in more detail. First, I create a bill of material, which is a list of all material and component need to make the product. In the BOM or bill of material, I including the material names and quantities, so the production process can be organized clearly. And next, I calculate the estimated working time for each process. This helps to know how long the production will take and helps in making a schedule. And then, I analyze the operational costs, such as material costs, labor costs, and other supporting costs to understand the total production costs. I also prepare a quality control plan to decide where quality checks are needed to meet the required standards. Lastly, I develop a website to support the overall process, especially to provide information and help with product sales. On this slide, I will explain my skill. For hard skill, I have production planning knowledge, including basic planning and scheduling. I also understand inventory control to manage material properly. I use data analysis to support decision and understanding research. I can do documentation and reporting to record activities and data clearly. I also have experience in operation measurement tools for basic inspection. And for soft skill, I work well in teamwork and can cooperate with others. I have good communication skill and to share information clearly. I am able to do problem solving when facing issue. I manage my time well through time management. And lastly, I'm adaptable and can adjust to new situations. On this slide, I will explain my weakness and how I handle it. One of my weaknesses is that I sometimes feel nervous when speaking in front of many people. This usually happens during presentation or when I have to share my opinion in front of an audience. To handle this, I prepare my materials well and practice before presenting. When I start to feel nervous, I take a deep breath, stay calm, and tell myself that I can do it. I also try to speak more than often in small group discussion to build my confidence. On this slide, I will explain one of my experience using the STAR method. The first situation, during a practical exam, our group was asked to calculate the estimated machining time for a milling machine. At the time, many students did not know how to do the calculation. Thus, I took the initiative to find and calculate the machining time so our group could complete the exam. In action, I tried to calculate it by myself, search for tutorials on YouTube, and learn the calculation step by step. And result, I successfully calculate the milling machine time estimation, and our group became the first group to finish the exam. On this slide, I will explain my leadership experience using the STAR method. The situation, I served as the vice head of dormitory, where good coordination was needed to manage daily activities. And tasks, I responsibilities including management dormitory security, handling facility service such as checking broken air conditioner and bathroom, and leading to the dormitory farewell event. And action, I organize security schedules to collect reports about facilities issue and coordinate repair with the responsible parties. I also led the commit and coordinate team member for the dormitory farewell event. And result, dormitory activities ran smoothly, facilities were well maintained, and the farewell event was successfully conducted with the positive feedback from the residents. On this slide, I will explain my reason for choosing PT Jabaku. First, PT Jabaku is a large industrial estate company which gives exposure to real industrial operation. Second, it has structured operational system which help me learn how processes are managed properly. The third, it's matched my major in industrial management, so I can apply what I have learned. And lastly, PT Jabaku provides an opportunity to learn and grow through the real work experience. My plan for the next 5 years. From the first year to the second year, I plan to work as a PPIC staff to gain experience in production planning, inventory control, and data analysis. From the third year to the fourth year, I am to improve my skills in planning system, Excel, and coordination and become a PPIC planner or senior PPIC staff. And the fifth years, I expect to take more responsibility and contribute to improving planning efficiency as a PPIC supervisor or key team member. My long-term goal is to become a reliable professional in the PPIC field and support the company's operational efficiency. That is all for my presentation. Thank you very much for time and attention. I hope this presentation can give a clear overview of my background, experience, and career plan. If you have any question or feedback, I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.